It's real. Hi po, so ito po yung bit-bit namin everyday. Kasi everyday kami nag-wedding. Charis!
Good morning! It's another busy Sunday. We're at Shangri-La, Cebu. So from Shangri-La, Boracay to Shangri-La, Cebu. It's a Sunday today and we have a wedding here. I have my team, ready na me, on our way to the bride's room. So, I'm gonna see you later! Good morning! So we're here in Shangri-La with our bride today, our beautiful bride, Krista.
Hi,
Good morning! And this is my team with me again, Ryan, Dranamel, Dexame.
Welcome to Jollibee.
Okay, so mag-start na mag-makeup sa bride. It's 9 a.m. and later, mag-prepare me for their 10:30 na shoot. So, let's go! So this is what happens to wedding. I'm done with the bride. I just do the bride's makeup, but sometimes I also do like the mothers. So right now we're finishing the mothers. This is Janamel, prepping the mother, and then I'm about to finish also the other mom. While we do this, bride will start her shoot. So as you can see, the box says gift na usually sa bride. They give robes for the bridesmaids and then they open it and use it for the shoot. So walang mga usual sa weddings. We're gonna finish sa and I'm gonna update later. Final touches. So pretty. Thanks to Raisa. Okay, ako na lang ang nabilin sa room. This is the mess after makeup. And they're all down. Continue pa ang shoot sa bride before she walks down the aisle. So they're having their last minute na shoot and also their first look, meaning the bride and groom will meet before the ceremony. At least after the ceremony, they don't have to shoot anymore. So they're doing it now while early pa. I'm going down there to help out. So see you, but walang key card and no one will bantay the room. Oh, no one will bantay. But my team is downstairs with the bride. I always make sure for my team that someone stays with the bride whenever she needs retouch. There's also the coordinator assisting her, but I also make sure that I have someone from my team. So, para sure na fresh and guapa always. Okay, so I'm going down right now. See you guys later. Our coordinator, Miss Noogie. Hi, Miss Noog.
Hi, Raisa's vlog.
This is our photographer, Sir Joseph. Hi. And the young team. And the bride specialist from Shangri-La. Also, the name there. Char. Si Char. Si Miss Char. Hello. Panguhit, pinapanguhit more. Do.
To make promises for the young and free, but you kept every word you said, and you stayed.
I'm alone in the room right now waiting for them to get our order. Kaya I ordered from Pickup Coffee. If you're from Cebu, guys, it's my new favorite go-to coffee. They have so many options and drinks. But right now, I have episodes of headache. And this is one of those days nga labad akong and can't work if labad akong So, I don't like to drink medicine, but di siya kaya today. So, I'm just gonna drink. Sit. And they're back! Dexa and Jado! And our drinks are here! Thai milk tea for the first time! Ilawan daw na to, be, ang Thai milk tea. Not bad! It's good! So during our break time, we usually just relax, sit down, eat, have coffee, have drinks,
milk tea,
and dami gisave na mga drinks, alcoholic. But actually, di gihapon ni siya break time because manghipos pa mi. Unsa ba? So muna siya ang time na maka-chill me finally. And then an hour, usually an hour lang to 2 hours. And then work again to retouch the bride. So, but actually, di gihapon ni siya break time because manghipos pa mi because we're gonna transfer to another holding area for the retouch. This is the life of a makeup artist. You pack up and then open a set of things, pack up again. It's fun. Fun, yun. Fun na lang.
When you walk away, my heart drops to the floor. They said it would get easier.
Okay, time to move. Transfer namin to the other room.
Hi po, so ito po yung bit-bit namin everyday. Kasi everyday kami nag-wedding. Charis!
But some things last forever. Love it.
First, doon po sa Mactan Ballroom sa baba. Expectation versus reality.
Yes! And guys, drama ha. I think ako pa mga almost 15 kilos.
15? Uy, grabe naman yung 15. So, hindi po talaga siya nagpapabitbit. Siya talaga yung nagbibitbit ng mga things.
And this is our holding area.
Here na lang.
Set up the sun.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's real.
So, dapat healthy ka and strong.
Oh, wow.
Kaya if di ka kaasa sa mga things, and it's very important because sometimes wala kay kuyog, you have to be on your own. So, you have no choice.
S2, sariling sikap po talaga.
Exactly. Waiting for the bride.
Yeah. Set up muna.
Mag-set up muna. Tagalog.
Ano
man?
Dapat ka talaga mag-Tagalog kasi may mga viewers tayo mga Tagalog. So,
ay, bahala. Mag-Bisaya sila. Mag-Bisaya po.
Open air, side by side.
And it's a wrap!
it's a wrap for
That's
today.
it! We're going home and
We're
mag-dinner
going
na. Finally, time to rest.
Yeah.
Good night! Good morning! So, it's my day off today as a makeup artist, but I'm still gonna be busy because I'm attending an event for Abaca Baking Company. It's a cafe here in Cebu. They have so many branches na here and it's one of my favorite cafes because they have so many selections, big portions, and I love their food. It's good. We also have vegetarian options there, so that's why I love it. And coffee is also good. Yes, so this is what I'm wearing. simple lang for brunch with my husband. I'm just waiting for him. So, I'm never not busy. Like, even if free day, I have other errands like today. I'm doing a meeting. Possible future supplier for my makeup line. Actually met her yesterday. A quick story lang. Yesterday, I did my client's makeup and they're from Butuan. Then, I don't know, out of the blue, she mentioned na daw sila kasi na nag-supply cosmetics, lotion, skincare, and everything. So, oh my gosh, what a coincidence. Marag, thank you, Lord. Nakachika lang yun me. And then, ni join yung cousin, I also did her makeup. She's from Davao, and I'm gonna meet her later with Migz. And I'm excited, guys. Hopefully, we'll come up with something. Mainta, ma-okay ang supply and everything. So, see you. I'm waiting for Migz lang for my ride. And, tukay siya as usual. But it's okay. Patience. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed my Makeup Artist Diaries series, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me and it would really help me as a new YouTuber. Also, if you could share it to your friends, I would really appreciate it. So yes, my Makeup Artist Diaries, it's my life as a makeup artist. I take you with me behind the scenes, sa work, sometimes my free days. So it's a mixture of work and actually also travel because I travel a lot with my work. So yes, I get to go to new places and you can come with me. Diba? So at least may experience ninyo. Anyway, so that's it. See you on my next Makeup Artist Diary vlog.